We're solving problem 9 from the 2024 MC12B. A dartboard is the region B in the coordinate plane consisting of points x, y, such that the absolute value of x plus the absolute value of y is less than or equal to 8. And target T in the region where target T is in the region where this expression is less than or equal to 49. A dart is thrown and lands at a random point in B. The probability that the dart lands in T can be expressed as m over n times pi, where m and n are relatively prime positive integers. What is m plus n? So this is like a rough sketch of the total region, and we know it's a square from this expression, and these are all the corners. Now, one of the features of a square is that all interior angles are 90 degrees. So if you split them in half, these are 45 degrees. 45, 45, and the angle that this makes is a right angle. Because, I mean, there's always a right angle in the coordinate plane. So we know that these triangles are 45, 45, 90 triangles, and we know that each of these lengths from the origin to one of the corners is 8. So one of the properties of 45, 45, 90 triangles is that the ratio of the two smaller side lengths is equal to one of the smaller side lengths times the square root of 2. So then one of these lengths would be 8 root 2. And since this is a square, you have to multiply two edge lengths together to get the area, or square that, and gets us 128. Now we know there's also a circle inscribed in it because this is the equation for a circle. So if we just try and draw a circle, so it's going to be a circle like so. I'm not a very good drawer, but it's a circle in here. And what we can do is we subtract the 49 from both sides, and 49 is 7 squared, so we just want to make that clear. So then this becomes x squared plus y squared minus 25 squared minus 7 squared less than or equal to 0. Now we can apply the difference of squares. So x squared plus y squared minus 25 plus 7 times x squared plus y squared minus 25 minus 7 is less than or equal to 0. And this is going to be negative 32, and this is going to be negative 18. So we then get the value of x squared plus y squared has to be in the bounds of 18 and 32. Therefore, the area of this figure would simply be pi times the difference of these two numbers. So 32 minus 18. This is 14, so area is 14 pi. Now, the reason why this is true is because since it's in the bounds of this, it's basically the equation for a circle, right? And if you just do this, take the range, it would, it would be like 14 would be the total, if you square root it, and then that would be the radius. So, if you divide it by 2, it would, square root 14 is the radius, but basically what they do for the equation of a circle is they square it, so we just have 14 pi as our area. So now our desired area, 14 pi over 128, simplifies to 7 pi over 64. So 7 plus 64 is 71, and that is our answer.